Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Was in response to the increase in criminal activity in several communities in the area. However, Mr. Richards' family claims the police killed the wrong man.
If you understand the time, I say Anjo mixed up with woman thing, would I believe? It's a gallif. Not no more.
He was inside with his girlfriend. Francine Henry, the mother of Mr. Richards' son, was devastated. They've been business partners for over 10 years.
And he's a loving, caring father, not to only his children, but to everybody's children. And them come kill him like that and I come talk about a shootout. How can they shoot out and in the man's house? There's no bullet, a burr up nowhere, nothing at all. Now my son left fatherless. Fatherless? My one boy?
She says the state of the room contradicts police reports.
No door not kick off, him get up and open the door. If door did kick off, the door would have, you would have seen something fly, nothing.
Now, when our news team visited the community, officers from Indicom were on the scene. Police officers were also still in the community. Inside Mr. Richards' bedroom, friends and family gathered in disbelief. On the outside, Mr. Richards' cousin said he was even disrespected in death.
Them even have no little honor about him. If I even say you make them lift him up, them drag him body like a dog on the ground. From way over, it take about 5 minutes for each from him yard to where them throw him in a jeep. You can drag a man. Look how much you know. I don't not even say you make you lift up the man. In blood stain the whole of the road. Them awful, them being so bad.
The deceased man's family also rejected police claims that an illegal firearm was seized.
Gun? Which gun?
Another resident alleged being asked by police for a list of gunmen in the area. His response?
Me supposed to know them while only supposed to know them, I only should tell with them. Anyways, passing and coming, I reach right here, so the same police officer stopped me. And he asked me, who owned this shop right here? I said to him, the man who owned the shop right there, not already have him in a lockup. He said to me, basically that man that will come for stealing, you know. So I said, I want to come for somebody, I want to get somebody, I want to kill the wrong somebody. I can't give no information about it. And the wrong somebody then kill, wrong somebody then give the shot and everything, and then they might go on to look like, say, we have a fugitive around here and all of them. So this is a family community. 95% of the people that live around here, so, are family.
The police pointed to a criminal syndicate in the area. The police also say 9 murders were committed in Lawrence Tavern in 2024. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.
Bawl out.
And then there were explosions.
Me after this video I got, I care and I give a fuck when nobody want to say about me. Me I dead I'm not afraid of blood clot, boiling water or cold water, cause he do or I do. I care zero when nobody want to say me say. I will say it again. A long time them and your money and have Portmarant a flood out. So now that's the in a PMP we want to look at 1 seat at St. Thomas. Come off of the woman back. Come off of the woman back. I give a fuck. Look how much money Hey, let me tell you something. You see, if you no sit down and put pen and paper together, how much land you no see PMP have a St. Thomas? Pernell Charles come here and he take off every mama bomb lad from St. Thomas. Land, this, that, in crepe. And in crepe till he can't fucking manage. He run left them and in Ghana away. He run left them and in Ghana gated community and live. And anytime he say one post somebody and nobody go up and in land, he come and he take back one and create them off and dash them off a roadside. So who's one I party them off the poor people government? Who's party a poor people government? Labour Party? Eh? You if you notice when PMP na power you not get flour for little or nothing. Now Labour right coming a flour if you not have 100 or 200 blood clot dollar you can't have flour. Look how high is chicken back. Which part you used to go get chicken back $300 a pound and $250 a pound? Eh? Man, you come off a rose back. Me no business what you want to say. Whether you want to say because me a Labour right or because me a PMP or wherever you want to put it. Come off a rose back you is a wicked son of a fucking gun. Me don't say what me a say already and me don't say what me have to say. Me say you have the money already and then you come and go and like say you want on silver ticks in the woman back. Leave the woman alone. I mean we always say it. We always say it. When you get up and you come and attack this and attack that and I say this and I say that. When the money they want to give if you do the work. When you attack, when you come with the check, when you give say this have to do this and that have to do that. And then you get up and talk. Cause enough you get how you name it. Enough you get. The money you want to get, one yacht could have put a port man for people drive pan.